in here on the floor? What happened? What? Oh, I guess I got to clean that up. What? What's the matter? Where's your mommy and your daddy? Huh? Where's your mommy and your daddy? Come here, let me pet you. Come here, little girl. Come. Okay, okay, come here. Aw, aw. Can pet you. Aw, okay. Okay, what? Say hello. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Oh, you're saying all you got's that little wall. There, and what? Huh? Yeah? And what else? You got the... and that. And what else? What? And what? Are you mad? Are you mad about something? You are? Did they leave you here all by yourself? Huh? Did they... What? What, little girl? Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Oh, that one did not sound good. Yeah, all you got, now look, that's all you got is this rug, and this wall over here, and this, and what else? What else? What else do you... Oh, what? And what? Oh, you want some more pets? You want some more pets? Oh, no, that's not what you... Okay, this wall, and this leg right here, and what else? And the floor. Okay. And that's all you got? What? What? What's the matter? What's the matter? Okay. What? You're hungry? Okay. All right, well, let's go feed you there. Oh, you got that wall. Okay. And that wall. All right, and what else? What else do you have? I'm sending this to Daddy. What else do you have? Oh, and this table leg. And that table leg. Don't step in that poopy. Okay, come on. Let's go get